Perception of English intonation by English, Spanish, and Chinese listeners. As seen with Japanese speakers, native language can affect the perception of segments in a second language. As seen with Japanese speakers, native language can affect the perception of segments in a second language. However, a native language can also have an impact on the perception of suprasegmental information, such as intonation. To study this effect, the researchers conducted a cross-language experiment, comparing English, Spanish, and Chinese listeners. In the experiment, an English utterance was recorded and resynthesized with different intonation contours. Some of the contours were falling, while others were rising. The participants listened to pairs of these recordings and were asked to rate them on how similar they were. As expected, each group performed differently on the task. You'll have to read the paper to learn more about the differences, but think about how we can interpret these results. A second experiment in the study tested the same groups on non-speech sounds that had the same frequency contours as the speech sounds in the first experiment. Were the same cross-language differences found in these non-speech stimuli? Reading this study will give you more insight about how auditory mechanisms are shaped by linguistic experience in one's native language.